We are responsible for all new construction and maintenance for the gas facilities here in the Verde Valley, from the start to the finish. So from digging and installing new services to maintenance of old services. The maintenance part of it, making sure that our facilities are up to code and safe. There's no damage, or when a utility gets damaged, we have to fix it, and a lot of times welding will come into play in that. The more people that call 811, the better. Either if somebody runs into an above ground facility or somebody digs through an underground facility, they normally send us out there, and we're the guys that will dig it up or squeeze it, and then we repair it with either welding, or we have a plastic also facility that we can fix. It's a good place to work. I mean, it seems like always striving to get better here. Things are always changing. I enjoy welding, I enjoy the heavy equipment operating, and I enjoy the people that we work with.